Hello and welcome to another edition of the Optimistic Gardener in the Kitchen. I've got a bit of a treat for you tonight. What I'm going to do is bring together two of the dishes that I've done recently, the pesto and the warm 3-bean salad, and add in a beautiful herbed lemon chicken. Three of them together, oh, I'll tell you what, if you don't find this delicious, then you need to go home. But let's get down to it. I've made the pesto earlier, as all good project managers. Prior preparation prevents. Easy for me to say. We've got the 3-bean salad, so we'll get into that in a bit. Let's have a little go with the herb lemon chicken. So I'm using chicken breasts, and these have been sliced up. And you can use bone chicken thighs. I've used them before with this dish, but I've got chicken breasts in the fridge, so that's what I'm using. So what we're going to do, and the herb we're going to use with this lemon chicken is thyme. Beautiful fresh thyme for the garden. Remember, we're trying to use everything we can out of the garden. Well, I am anyway. So what we're going to do is need to score the underside of the chicken. So let's get the chicken on the underside bit. Let's score across this underside. Just give it a good slice down, just so the flavours that we're going to use can work themselves into the chicken. Beautiful. Wash my hands. Let's put a bit of salt and pepper that can work itself into the chicken themselves. And then what we're going to do, let's put that thyme over there out of the way, is you're going to put this chicken, the other side, underside down, on a chopping board, like that. Let's get that lemon out of the way, and then, as if by magic, get some cling film, enough to cover the chopping board. And cover the chicken, and then you guys that have had a bad day at work or like this bit, get yourself a heavy bottom pan and give the chicken a good old bashing until it's a couple of centimetres thick. So yeah, boss, take that. Other boss, take that. Beautiful. So it's nice and thin, just in case some of that. So there we go. So then what we're going to do is we're going to grate half a lemon, half the rind of a lemon over, hang on, let's use this bit here, over the chicken, so we get that lovely zesty lemon, beautiful. I keep reminding myself, and then I keep forgetting that I need to get a new grater. There we go. So let's grate this lemon all the way over the top side of this chicken. If at first you don't succeed, this is a real taste of summer to me. I love knocking this up early evening before the mosquitoes come out, and sitting down with a nice glass of white wine with Mrs. F Ethan's monkeying about in the swimming pool. The sun is still shining, and winter is a long way away, in our thoughts at least. Right, so that's the lemon zest all over the top side of chicken. Give it a little squeeze, bit of lemon over there, not too much. And then what we're going to do is we are going to get the thyme, pick off the leaves, and just give that a little sprinkle over the chicken breasts. A good general covering. Oh, I'll tell you what, that is absolutely divine. That is, that thyme smell as soon as you start picking it. Some beautiful flavours going to be mixing in here. And then when the pesto comes in and joins the party, it is definitely a taste worth waiting for. Although this is a pretty quick dish, really. So that is the thyme on. Just give it a little going over with pepper on the top. And that's it. Oh no, olive oil. Nice bit of olive oil. Give me a little drizzle of olive oil. Got to give the old chef's wrist drizzle. Oh yes. There we go. Now we're just going to saute these for a few minutes either side, in a pan obviously, on a medium-high heat, and they'll be ready. Right, so I've added a touch of olive oil to the pan, medium-high heat. Just going to put these chicken on for 3 minutes aside. Turn that down a touch. Okay, so that's 3 minutes done. Let's turn these over. Look at that, golden. Liking the look of that. Turn that down a touch, I mean. Right, while we are waiting, let's get these lovely beans on the plate. Look at that, some beautiful, oh the flavours, you just can't believe the flavours coming out. Let's get some yellows. A couple of runner beans in there. A few more herbs. That's that. Here's the chicken. Lay that on the top there. Oh. Now to chop it off, what do we want? Some of this beautiful pesto. There we go. I need a glass of wine. I don't think I've got any. Yes, we have. Glass of wine. But have a little taste of it, hadn't we? So a touch of that chicken. I cannot describe to you, even in words, how delicious that is. Now try with a bit of the beans. And the beans are crunchy, and that tartness from the marinade. I've got to have a bit more of that chicken. I tell you guys, this has got to be number one on your list of summer dishes to try very soon. I'm hoping my face is telling you, well, all I can say is bon appetit. Oh. See you later guys, I need to tuck into this.